Dear friend, if you are sick of not feeling productive, energetic, positive, feeling demotivated throughout the day, and not accomplishing your goals in life, then you have to pay attention to this. You don't need another motivational speech to lift your spirit up. In fact, the real problem is not that you are not motivated. The real reason why you are not being productive, energetic, positive, and not accomplishing your daily goals lies in how you start your day. Let me explain why starting your day right is very important. Just imagine that you're reading a book, and the very first page of the book will set the impression on how the book is going to be. If the first page of the book is written poorly, you can bet the rest of the book will be boring and not worth your time reading. Similarly, that's just how your day is going to be. If you have a hectic morning, unplanned, and feeling all grumpy, the rest of your day will be this way and it will be hard to get it fixed, which is why it's so important for you to conquer your morning right. And today, all is going to change. Just like many others, I did this exact same mistake in my life before. My morning was hectic, unplanned, and usually I woke up feeling grumpy, and it affected me throughout the day. After years of researching, buying books, attending courses, coaching, and masterminds, I managed to find a solution. What I'll be sharing with you are the strategies that I personally used and learned from the world's top achievers and most productive people who are immune to this disease. These secrets are the reason why I am able to be more productive, energetic, positive, and managed to achieve all the worldly success I yearn for. With these strategies, I can assure you that you too can achieve all the goals you set in life. No more feeling demotivated, lack of energy, losing focus, being unproductive, and having a bad day. Your frustrations end here. Introducing Morning Mastery. Win the morning, win the day. Morning Mastery is the ultimate guide for people who want to start their morning right to lead a better day. The formula is simple. Good night's sleep plus early start to morning equals the perfect morning formula. This guide aims to help you achieve the perfect morning by sharing proven strategies from how successful people start their day effectively so that you too can emulate these morning principles to win the day. If you want to be more productive, energetic, positive, and lead a better day, then you owe it to yourself to learn the secrets shared in Morning Mastery. Here are the things you'll discover in this life-changing program. How starting your morning right is so important that will affect the rest of your day. The things you shouldn't do when waking up so you'll have a good start, revealed in Chapter 1. Why sleeping late will cause these 2 serious health problems. 3 ways to balance your waking and sleeping routine. Why you should forget the night is still young motto. Hint, it'll bring more harm than good. The best sleeping pattern for you to adapt for optimal productivity. How getting more than enough sleep will only make you lazy. The one thing that stops you from waking up on time. 2 things you shouldn't do before bed if you want to get a good night's sleep. Why you should never try to fall back to sleep the moment you wake up. 5 ways to help you wake early. Why many successful people such as Tim Cook, Michelle Obama, Oprah Winfrey, and Dwayne Johnson wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning and even earlier. 3 reasons why you'll want to wake up in the morning before everybody else does. Trouble sleeping? Try these 3 simple hacks to hit the sack early. And so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. And this is the golden key for those who want to be more productive, accomplish all life goals they set in life, reduce stress and anxiety by starting your day right, enjoy better sleep, feel more positive, be healthier and improve general well-being, lead a happier life, be highly motivated, have an amazing start to their day. So here's the good news. You get the Morning Mastery at a low one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you will transform your life to the next level with all of the proven strategies revealed in this guide. All you have to do from here onward is to apply what you learned from Morning Mastery for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvements in your life, just return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, that's not all. If you get Morning Mastery right now, you'll get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of Morning Mastery. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Morning Mastery by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. At this point, if you choose to do nothing, your life will remain the same as where you are right now. Nothing new will ever happen. There's nothing exciting you can talk about to your spouse, partner, friends, family members in the next 30 days about how amazing, positive, and energetic your life has been. Instead of doing nothing, why not take advantage of our offer? I've explained to you how the Morning Mastery Guide can help you to be more productive, positive, start and conquer your day right, and achieve your biggest goals, all by helping you craft your perfect morning routine. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from the Morning Mastery, you can send me an email and I will return 100% of your money back. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by this offer. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.